Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to outline an image in Canva. So here I have created a new project. Now click on uploads and in here upload a background removed version of the image that you want to outline. I'll be going for this background removed picture. Just click on it. So here it has been added. Now I'm just going to adjust it. So here it has been adjusted. Now after that just select it and after that click on effects. After that click on effects again and after that click on shadows and after that click on outline right here and after that click on the settings button to adjust it. You can adjust the size of the outline. I will keep it, let's say, here, and after that you can change the color of the outline. I will go for, let's say, this type of color. After that you can also change the intensity. You can increase or decrease it. I will keep it here and after that just click on this X button and the outline would be added. So that is how you can add an outline to your image in Canva.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to outline an image in Canva. So first of all, you would have to upload a background removed picture. You can use any background remover that you want. So here I have uploaded this picture, so just click on it and it will be added to the canvas. Now adjust it. Now after that click on edit image. Now in here scroll down and go for shadows in effects. Click on it. Now in here select outline. Now after that scroll down and adjust the size of the outline. I will keep it at that and after that select the color. I will go for, let's say, red color. Then after that you can adjust the intensity of the glow. I will just keep it there, let's say, and after that you're done. So just click anywhere else on the canvas and the picture will be deselected and the picture would be outlined. So that is how you can outline an image in Canva.